Sounds of Decay 2 is the new album from Sadness, Your Perfect Hands and My Repeated Words. Now, admittedly, black gaze is not normally my thing. If I want cold and moody, I'll just watch our ginger cat try to snowboard. But seriously, folks, we sort of flipped that lid a couple years back when Son of Jokai, the Island album, made our year-end list, along with good stuff from White Ward and a few others. One of the genre's true masters is multi-instrumentalist Damien Anton Ojeda, the Mexican-born Illinois native. According to the Metal Archives, he relocated to Texas recently. I don't know if that's true or not. But he has been Zappa-level prolific, cranking out something like 22 full-length albums and a gaggle of splits and singles along the way.
Releases like 2019, I Want to Be There quickly became the stuff of legend, conjuring massive walls of sound and dramatic shoegazy crescendos that pull the listener in one direction after another, with children's choirs and walls of orchestrated synths, punctuated with ambient interludes. Incredible stuff for the more open-minded rock or metal fan, and proof that it doesn't have to be all skulls, sluts, and Satan. Well, maybe 95% of the time, but I digress. His latest EP is Your Perfect Hands and My Repeated Words. I'm confused about how a 54-minute record is considered an EP, but what the heck do I know? 5 cuts, all about 10 minutes in length. So get your comfy beanbag chair out for this one. The soundscapes are as lush as ever. Endless layers of synths and a sort of lo-fi drum style accentuate Ojeda's powerful, squeaky clean vocals for an overall vibe that's more in the vein of Slow Dive or My Bloody Valentine than Death Haven.
Pink Clouds is a collaboration featuring dreamy vocals from the equally prolific black gaze artist Meredith Salvatore. This may be the high point of the disc, a rollicking beat weaving high drama against bittersweet wall of sound noise that trails off about halfway through the track and slowly blinks its way back to marvelous effect, vocal and instrumental hooks building deliciously. Spring Flashes is another scrumptious nugget, guitars chiming their melancholy message against the soaring vocals of guest Lydian Brambilla, who apparently works as a librarian at the University of Georgia, according to Metal Archives. I could listen to stuff all day. Each listen reveals another layer of hooks, another cool vocal sidebar, or scoop of ambience to climb into. Fans of stuff like Die Catafalque need to dive into this man's discography post-haste. Check this out. This song is Pink Clouds.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.